How to check Roblox ban history. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside my Roblox account right here, and it is really simple. All you have to do is to click on the gear icon at the top of your screen, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on help and safety. It's under the quick sign in button right here, and this also works for mobile applications. Just head over to help and safety, and inside we have the help center, and we also have the violations and appeal, review or report violations. You want to choose the second option, and inside we'll be able to see our ban history. If you want to appeal something right here, you can just go ahead and click on the support button, and you'll be able to talk to a Roblox agent to help with your problem. If this video has been helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.